Okay, we're here today at the Home Depot. So we're here with the RYOBI Brush Cutter. Now, there's not too much excitement as far as opening the box up, but I want to show you what came in the box, and I also want to show you how we use it. Now, I did do a test run with it already. Embarrassingly, I forgot to run the camera. So I'm going to kind of simulate it, but this is the box it came in. So, pretty nondescript. It has, just like the others, a 3-year limited warranty, 30-day no risk. The blade size is an 8-inch tri-arc. In other words, it has 3 blades on it. And it's designed to cut, thicker weeds and some smaller brush. It's a straight shaft, so it's supposed to provide some extended reach, and it has a heavy-duty gearbox, which when you're hitting some of the bigger brush, you definitely need that. So let's see how this thing runs. Oh, before I do that, this is the front of the box, sorry. Now here's the brush cutter attachment itself. Now this piece, the handle, I did have to put on, but everything else it just pulled right out. The blades, again it's a 3-blade system. They are not sharp, they're blunt. I suppose if you wanted to sharpen them you can, but I didn't, and it worked just fine by itself. Alrighty, let's go ahead and put the new attachment on. Of course, what you have to do, you have to take this piece off of the weed whacker, and then you put the brush cutter right on there, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. But first, let's do a shout out.
Hello, I'd like to give a shout out to Southern Country Living. Now, Southern Country Living has all kinds of stuff about country living. Talks about their animals, it talks about different vlogging stuff, and actually kind of a cornucopia of different interests, kind of like it is over here. So if you like this channel, go check out Southern Country Living. I'm sure you'll find something you like.
Okay, now to prepare them for attachment. Now this comes in the box. You have the protector end right here that you do have to take off first. Now on the weed trimmer, right about there, you'll see a knob. Now you have to loosen that up and then pull that off and put this in there. And I'll show you how we do that. After attaching that protector end onto the weed whacker part, we're going to take the base and connect it onto the brush cutter. Now, of course, you do that by reversing the process of detaching the weed whacker, but don't forget to tighten up that screw. There we go. Okay, to see how this thing runs, go ahead and put the battery in. Give it a little test. And by the way, if you haven't seen the other videos, This is the safety, and that's the throttle. Alright, let's see what this thing can do. It's like hot knife through butter. Oh yeah. Well, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and then we'll close this out. Alrighty, well there's the path that I just did, and I was very surprised when I turned on to test the battery. It's still showing as full. So this thing doesn't take a whole lot to run, and that's a lot that I did. So I'm very happy with it, and it looks like it was a success. So I highly suggest, if you have any brushing to do, get the RYOBI Brush Cutter attachment. You'll be glad you did. So again, thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, and as always, have a great day.